waited to get certified and approved to become a drone pilot to actually fly one. So I'm out here at the park, about to see what's to it. Now I have to pick a spot to start it. Yeah, this is perfect right here. That was my first time operating my drone as a certified Part 107 pilot, or remote pilot, whatever you call it. Stay tuned for more videos, because I'm gonna be doing these every few days, every couple days. Well, I'm gonna be out here practicing every few days, every couple days. So yeah, hope I got some good footage for y'all.